What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a quick installation of this M4 spoiler. If you're interested in getting one, send me a message or a comment and I can show you where I got it from. I saved a ton of money in getting this amazing piece of carbon. So if you're interested, drop a comment or follow me on Instagram and send me a DM. So what you're going to need for this installation is alcohol wipes, microfiber towel, some painter's tape, and obviously your spoiler. And what I like to do is just wipe down the surface of any wax or residue or dirt that you may have on the area that you're going to be installing the spoiler. The cool thing about the M4 spoiler is that it's pretty much lined up according to the trunk. All I have to do is just make sure it's even on both sides. So once I feel like I have a good idea of where it should be placed, I get some painter's tape and just put it down. Also, what I did is I bought another roll of 3M and I just put more all across. Alright, so now I'm going to flip it backwards. Go. I'm going to remove 3M tape. Alright, last piece and done. So now I'm going to line it all up again with the tape. Right. There you have it. It is. What I like to do to secure it, even though it's a really hot day, is just to press it down for like a good 30 seconds on each side. Well, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next week.